Hello guys, this is Muscle Rider and welcome back to the channel. So today we are going to unbox the Rhinox Stormproof mobile mount, the mobile GPS mount, and even we are going to install the mount on the bike, and even we are going to test it. We are going for a short spin and we are going to test it, can confirm it the mount remains stable on the bike. So let's unbox the mount. So in the box itself you get an mount, the mobile pouch and the clamp so that you can attach the clamp into the handlebar, and you even get this strap so that you can tie the mount onto the handlebar so that the mount remains stable, and even if the mount gives up, your mobile or the GPS device will remain safe onto the motorcycle. So now we are going to install this mount onto the motorcycle's handlebar. So let's get started. First of all, we are going to attach the handlebar clamp onto the pouch. So it's very simple. We have to just slide the handlebar clamp onto the mobile pouch. So now we are going to attach this whole setup onto the handlebar, and we are going to tighten up with the help of this screw. And after tightening up, we are going to press this knob here so that it gets locked and it remains stable onto the motorcycle. And now we are going to tie this mount with the help of this strap. So now we are going to put our mobile into the GPS pouch. So this way we have put the mobile into the pouch, and we have to just press this clip so that it gets sealed. So the best part is, so this mount is touch friendly, so you can even operate the mobile from the mount itself. So this way we have completely installed this mount. So you can view it in the portrait view, or you can even view it in the landscape view as per your preference. It can be easily rotated. So now as we have installed the mount, now we are going for a short spin so we can confirm it the mount remains stable onto the motorcycle. So let's go for a short spin. So now we have installed our GPS mobile mount onto the bike, and now we are testing it so that we could confirm everything is cool, everything is fitted well. And I have set a random location, so don't mind that. I have set a random location, and you can twist this, you can even use this like this, and you can even use this like this as per your preference. Even we are going to test it over the rough stuff so that we can confirm it that it remains stable on the rough stuff too. This mount's covering is waterproof, so you can be rest assured. Look, it was over the rough stuff. Mount remains stable. It will move a bit, but it remains stable. And plus we have this tied to our handlebar, so even if the mount gives up, the mobile or the GPS device, whichever you are using, it won't fall off. So yeah, it's pretty stable. Definitely a good product. Now I'm riding it in the city because it's already 6:30 a.m. and I can't go out, but surely on the next ride I will be testing out for the long ride, obviously. So for more inputs I will be shooting that too. So for now it's working pretty well. And look, it's waterproof, it's made of good quality. What else you want? The main thing is mount should remain stable when you go over the bumps, and that's it. It's doing its job pretty well. For this price range, it's really a good product. It will say rerouting and rerouting because I was just set in random location. Hope you found this video useful. If you found this video useful, do watch other videos, do subscribe to the channel. Till then, ride safe and drive safe. Bye bye.